3-Minute Flicks. Entertaining, educating, and enlightening.
Hello everyone and welcome back. With the holiday season just around the corner, many of us are gearing up for the exciting but sometimes overwhelming task of holiday shopping. Today, I've got some fantastic tips and tricks to help you manage your holiday shopping and make the most out of Black Friday deals. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Plan ahead. First things first, planning is key. Start by creating a budget for your holiday spending. Determine how much you can comfortably afford to spend on gifts, decorations, and other holiday expenses. Having a budget in mind will help you stay on track and avoid any post-holiday financial stress. Tip 2. Make a list. Next up, make a list of the people you need to buy gifts for. This will not only ensure that you don't forget anyone, but also help you brainstorm thoughtful gift ideas for each person. Having a clear list can save you time and prevent last-minute scrambling to find the perfect present. Tip 3. Research Black Friday deals. Now, let's talk about Black Friday, the shopping extravaganza of the year. Keep an eye on pre-Black Friday sales and do your research on the best deal. Many retailers release their Black Friday ads ahead of time, so take advantage of this information to plan your shopping strategy and snag the best discounts. Tip 4. Utilize online shopping. Avoid the crowds and chaos by taking advantage of online shopping. Many Black Friday deals are available online, allowing you to browse and purchase from the comfort of your own home. Don't forget to compare prices across different websites to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Tip 5. Set alerts. To stay on top of the best deals, set up price alerts for specific items you're eyeing. This way, you'll be notified when the price drops, and you can swoop in to make your purchase. Apps and websites like Honey or Camel can help you track price changes and ensure you get the most bang for your buck. Tip 6. Shop early. Black Friday doesn't start and end on the actual day. Many deals are available before and after. Consider shopping a day or two before Black Friday to avoid the rush, or check for extended deals that last throughout the weekend. Some retailers even have early bird specials for those who get a head start on their holiday shopping. Tip 7. Consider DIY gifts. If you're feeling crafty, consider making some do-it-yourself gifts. Personalized, handmade presents can be incredibly meaningful, and they often cost less than store-bought items. Plus, it's a great way to add a personal touch to your holiday celebrations. Tip 8. Take advantage of cashback offers. When making online purchases, check if your credit card or a cashback app offers any additional rewards or cashback. Many credit cards have partnerships with retailers that can earn you extra savings, and cashback apps like Rakuten or Ibotta offer cashback on qualifying purchases. It's a simple way to stretch your holiday budget. Tip 9. Stay organized. As you make your purchases, keep track of them and stay organized. Create a spreadsheet or use budgeting apps to monitor your spending and ensure you stay within your budget. This will help you avoid any surprises when the credit card bill arrives in January. Tip 10. Remember the spirit of the season. Lastly, amidst the hustle and bustle of holiday shopping, don't forget the true spirit of the season. Take time to appreciate the joy of giving and spending quality time with loved ones. After all, the most meaningful gifts often come from the heart. And there you have it, folks. Some of the best tips and tricks for managing holiday shopping and making the most out of Black Friday. I hope these suggestions help you navigate the season with ease and make it a truly joyful time for you and your loved ones. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your own holiday shopping tips in the comments below. Happy holidays and happy shopping.
3-Minute Flicks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We create new videos weekly.